Politricks watching. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to talk about a story that if it never come to the news, if the police never confirm it, you just say, I make somebody make up things to get views. This story is coming straight out of the real Netflix. Not the little foolishness someone sign up on the TV with an email and a bank account, no. I talk about Jamaica. I wonder if you understand, but they even know how to start. But before I go any further, I want to send a special patron birthday shout out to Joan Council. Now Joan, me know say belated happy birthday because it was actually a couple days ago. But you have got blame your hobby because it look like say him start to eat unicorn meat. Him link me too late. By the time I see it, couldn't get it started out. So Greg C, big up yourself, and Joan, hope you had a great day. Live long and prosper. See? Understand say every morning you tune with a cup of tea. Enough love and respect. Bless up. Now, make a move into the video. Now, this one is coming out of Manchester. When I tell you say, the laws in Jamaica are so weak and pathetic that 87s don't take them seriously. I want you to picture this. A man is supposed to report to the station and condition for him bail. And that man a report with him gun pan him. Let me repeat that. You know some like repeat things so that it's soaked in a people's head. A man who is already on a charge for illegal possession of firearm turns up to the station to report on condition of his bail with another illegal firearm. Welcome to Netflix. The suspect name is Orlando Lee, right? And his brother, after him at the station, police them try to accost him. Guess what him do? Honestly, say them not take them laws as serious, right? Because them know say a peer slap on the wrist thing, man does a pile up charge. Man a pile up charge because they know so when all is said and done, right, it might rub on like a 1 year or a 2 year. A shootout start between 87 who is reporting on condition of him bail the illegal possession of firearm. Squaddy and said 87. Somehow 87 managed to get away. I don't know how I go on this so. That's supposed to happen. The man is supposed to shoot out in the police on station grounds and manage to make it, go home go laugh. Because I laugh my laugh right now, right? As a matter of fact, he's listening to this video right now and skin off him teeth. Somewhere, this 87 is telling him brethren say, my youth, see me tell us a real thing. Because him probably go back to him brethren and tell him say, yo, you know say, me just a report a station on the illegal firearm charge. And I carry my illegal firearm and I end up use this new illegal firearm to shoot out the police. And him brethren them tell him say, my youth a liar you tell. You try to sell unicorn meat. Brethren them run him down. Coming to the news. Now we are talking about it. Him a laugh and that's the seat there, I tell you. I can start to the bail them. It look like say anybody can get bail at Jamaica. I don't know what you have to do for police while I'm you. Now it's clear to me. Say 87s, no say them get bail for illegal gun charge. Now I'm telling you say, the problem the police them have is holding on to the man them. But that is mostly for the man them who, are quote unquote suspected gang members. But man who get catch with gun, no suspected none of that. Police hold on upon you, illegal firearm. Man get leg up on bail. I don't know say are the same man them, when I tell them say the same 87s them do the same crimes them. Are them things I confirm it. A man it go to jail, for a murder charge, for a gun charge, get bail, come on road and shoot man while him up on bail. Matter of fact, enough man actually can't wait to get bail so that them can go hunt the witness them personally. Complete madness. The story sound like it's not even real. It come like any minute now me listen off here the papers them say some kind of mix up. A troll them a troll. Or the police them say April Fool's Day. This something can go so. The man walk in the station with him illegal firearm. Answer to charges of illegal firearm. So like we see, because they talk about new laws that come soon and very soon. Right, me the security minister say, new laws they right around the corner. Any minute now, this year, we're going to see updating of the legislation. Make we see it. But the fact say, 87s, known 87s, man with previous charges. Just I get all on pan, get catch with gun, and I get a Lego back in the streets. Something have to be done about that. But when time the new law them drop, then we can scrutinize it. This on Netflix. The man go shoot out in a station with him illegal firearm. Anyway, I want to talk about something else. The Klansman trial resume. Now, we get to understand say in the trial, they must show some pictures of some people who lose their life. And black man bust out a laugh. As in, the Dan for Klansman. Bust out a laugh, and some other members of the gang who they on trial, when them see the bodies them, when them see the pictures them, that are, burnt up in a bad condition, the man they start laugh. Now this couple, they lose them life. I think it was a place called Fishery, and you don't know already, the images were very disturbing. Well, not for Klansman and black man, apparently they found it very funny. The man them start bust out a laugh. In a courtroom, imagine they on trial. And one time them show the pictures them, of the people them where they must say, you kill. You start laugh over the people them, in a them burn up state, I hope you understand say. I know some normal people who I deal with. Tell me say, that them need to just some normal little gang members. The man them a laugh, the people them dead and gone a long time, the people them burn up. First of all, the tactics for them use, fire. But telling us 87 love the fire thing, they come like pitney. Them love set fire, lock up house, burn up people, all kind of measures, all kind of tactics that are far beyond ordinary badness. Those are acts of terrorism. And then on top of it, when them show them in a court, the man them a laugh. Even in a courthouse, even while they on trial, black man and clans cannot pretend to them take human life seriously. I think them still gonna go on like say them shocked and them can't believe what they must see. But the man them can't help themselves. They cannot help themselves, them come like pitney, the man then start laugh. Well, make us see who laugh last. I really want to see all this trial go, but at least it start back now. Hopefully, we don't hear somebody else catch Big C and then trial stop and trial stop. I understand say a Big C time, but this whole heap stop. They might forget us find a way, move man go in our room and go up on video or something like that, but we can't have the trial delay so long. Right? But we have to talk about that. The man then laugh when they picture them show. Hopefully, we get to hear some more testimony from the witness them, right? Because the trial stopped so long, we know enough people forget because I don't know the people who have short-term memory. But I'm glad it start back still, so people know upon it. Anyway, Kitchen Squad, you open yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Go to squad, stay circling. Yes.